Imagine launching a full website in under 60 seconds. No coding, no designer, no hassle. That's exactly what B12 AI Website Builder promises. Welcome to TechNow Explained. Today, we're revealing how B12 works, why it matters right now, and whether it's all it's cracked up to be. First, let's meet our star of the show. B12 is an AI-powered website creator that uses natural language prompts to build your entire website, complete with pages, layouts, images, and copy, in just 60 seconds. B12.io, Axios.com. It integrates tools like invoicing, scheduling, forms, and e-signatures automatically, so your site is ready for business from day one. That level of speed and automation is turning heads in 2025, especially for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small businesses that need a polished online presence without hiring developers. Here's what happens when you start with B12. Describe your business or site needs in your own words. B12's AI generates a fully structured site, complete with relevant pages, text, media, tools, and integrations. You can immediately launch for free or customize further via the drag-and-drop editor or chat assistant. The platform configures invoicing, client intake forms, bookings, payment links, and email, all matched to your brand. That's how it builds and launches a fully functional site in a minute. But every tool has its strengths and weaknesses. Here's what to know. Pros. Instant website generation, perfect for non-technical users. Fully integrated business tools, for instance forms, scheduling, invoices, etc. Free tier available, with hosting, domain, and AI content. Easy customization via editor or chat assistant. Cons. Limited flexibility compared to full-featured platforms like Wix or WordPress. Advanced customization or plugin support is restricted. Subscription required for branding removal and custom domains. Subscription required for branding removal and custom domains. Now let's talk costs and tiers. B12 offers a free plan that covers hosting, a branded domain, and core business features. Paid tiers, starting around mid-range pricing, unlock custom domains, remove branding, offer priority support, and include advanced AI writing tools, e-signatures, and payments. Exact pricing depends on selected features, but there are no surprise add-ons, just straightforward tiers. How user-friendly is B12? Here's what we found. Using B12 feels intuitive. Just enter a prompt, click Generate, review your site, and hit Publish. Everything from copywriting help to site layout adjustments can be done on desktop or mobile. There's virtually no learning curve. B12 makes the website building experience as easy as using a social media app. So, who is B12 for? And who should think twice? Choose B12 if you need a fast professional site without technical skills. You want basic business tools built in, forms, scheduling, invoices. You value simplicity over deep customization. Think twice if you need complex design, advanced plugins, or custom code. You want full editorial control or extensive SEO features. B12 AI Website Builder proves that in 2025, launching a polished website can be as quick as writing a sentence. No developers required. If you're a solo entrepreneur or small business owner, this is the kind of tool you need to explore now. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to TechNow Explained, and let us know in the comments. Will you try B12, or are you sticking with a more customizable solution? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.